Every day, people and systems move through shared spaces. Gyms, waterways, campuses, and recreation areas. But we rarely measure how those spaces are actually used. At the Urban Intelligence Lab, we develop computer vision and sensing systems that turn raw visual data into actionable insights, helping improve planning, safety, sustainability, and the design of shared environments. Without real data, decisions about how shared spaces are used are often based on assumptions. How does usage change over time? Where do movement patterns create conflict or risk? When and where do bottlenecks form? How do people and vehicles share space in real time? These questions matter for safety, resource allocation, and user experience. Yet, in many environments, the answers remain unknown.
At recreation centers and other shared campus spaces, it can be difficult to understand how people actually use the environment throughout the day. Which areas stay busy? When do activity levels peak? And which spaces remain underused? To help answer those questions, our team developed a computer vision pipeline that can monitor activity across a range of campus settings, including open outdoor areas, the gym, and academic buildings. Using object detection and tracking, the system transforms video into real-time occupancy and movement data. That data can then be visualized through heat maps and time-based trends. These insights make it easier to identify peak usage times, understand activity patterns, and recognize underutilized spaces, supporting more informed decisions about planning, operations, and the overall use of campus environments.
Waterways like the Portage Canal can be difficult to monitor in detail over time. What kind of vessels are moving through the area? How fast are they traveling? And how do traffic patterns change across time and location? To help answer these questions, our team built a system to detect and track vessels across both time and space. Using computer vision and post-processing, we link individual boat detections into full trajectories using position and velocity data. With these insights, we can analyze traffic flow, vessel speed, and areas of congestion, supporting safer operations, better planning, and a clearer understanding of how the canal is used.
At Michigan Tech's Mont Ripley ski area, crowding and lift usage can be difficult to measure in real time. Operators need better insight into how many people are on the hill, how lift activity changes throughout the day, and when higher traffic begins to affect flow. As part of the Computer Vision for Winter Sports project, our team developed a system that detects skiers on the slopes and around the lifts, then transforms those detections into live counts and usage data through a dashboard interface. Using computer vision, we detect skiers in video footage and translate those detections into time-based counts and usage metrics. These metrics are then displayed through a dashboard, making it possible to monitor lift activity, cumulative usage, and trends throughout the day. With these insights, operators can better estimate wait times, manage resources, and make more informed decisions to improve the visitor experience.
Across all three projects, the core idea is the same: turning visual data into actionable insight. Whether it's a gym, a waterway, or a ski hill, these tools help decision makers better understand how spaces are used. Our systems integrate computer vision models, tracking algorithms, and data visualization tools into end-to-end pipelines. This allows us to move from raw video to meaningful metrics. Next steps include improving model accuracy, scaling deployments, and integrating real-time dashboards. Long-term, this work supports smarter infrastructure and data-driven decision-making in cities and communities. We'd like to thank our team members, advisor Dr. Gabriel Dragon, and partners such as the Great Lakes Research Center and Mont Ripley Ski Area for their support. The Urban Intelligence Lab is excited to continue building systems that make our environment smarter and more responsive.